It's holiday season for traders. Here comes count them, 5 reasons why next week is the week to be trading, not on holidays. Your week ahead preview right now. An absolutely jam-packed economic calendar to deal with coming up this week. Make sure you stick around because Tuesday to Thursday are going to be the most important days on the economic calendar. We get August consumer confidence at 10 a.m. on Tuesday. August job openings at 10 a.m. can be a market mover if the number comes out one way or the other, bigger than expected. Wednesday, August, Chicago PMI, 9:45. Thursday, weekly jobless claims, as always, at 8:30 a.m. Another 9:45 then number, August U.S. manufacturing PMI. Again, this is all inflation related. And then the big one at 10 a.m. on Thursday, we get ISM manufacturing index, even bigger than Friday morning, the big non-farm payrolls number for August. All right, here comes your earnings calendar for the coming week. Yeah, we're getting to the end of earnings season, but hey, there's still a ton of big names set to report coming up this week. And it gets started after market on Monday. We were trading Pinduoduo all week last week, PDD on the run, since they said they're going to expand into North America. Best Buy and BIDU before the open coming up for the end of the month, if you can believe that. There's CrowdStrike, there's CHWY, and there's ChargePoint. Some old tech on there as well, HPE. Want to switch over to after the close on the 1st. C3AI on this board. And then to wrap things up, Broadcom, AVGO, and Lululemon, a Canadian name. Shout out to some Canadian content. Lulu always gives you a great trade coming off of earnings. All right, here comes some news-based catalysts for you to keep in mind. Yes, that says September 7th, but Apple is going to have their yearly launch event, yes, on September 7th. I'd say this now because the week prior to the launch event is when you get analysts coming out giving their take on what to expect at the launch event. That means we're going to get very, very volatile trading in Apple shares coming up this week, so keep that in mind. Another note on Apple, they've had 5 straight quarters of declining revenue growth. That's not good, so they got to come up with something big at that event. Here we go. The next one coming on Wednesday, the IPO calendar straight from the NASDAQ website. Bottom of that list, have a look at HEMPACCO. I've never heard of it either, but HPCO set to debut on the 30th, Tuesday. 1 million shares, 6.9 million in market value. So we'll have a look at HPCO. These low float, crazy IPOs have been all the rage and provided us, let's be honest, great trading over the past couple of weeks. And everyone's favorite part of this video, here we go. Yeah, Neil and Sean's stock picks coming your way. CRWD set to report coming up this week. Coming off a great report from Palo Alto, PANW. We'll have a look at CrowdStrike off of earnings this week. Sean all over Tesla. Very, very excited to continue trading this volatile stock off of the 3-for-1 stock split. Grab the watch list, guys. As always, we send it right to your inbox now, if you can believe that. Use the QR code on screen. Sign up for the watch list. We'll see you on Monday for another exciting week on TraderTV.Live.